Have you ever wondered what makes Mexico so captivating? Picture a land where the past and present converge in a vibrant dance, where ancient ruins echo tales of bygone civilizations, and bustling markets hum with the lively rhythm of daily life. Welcome to Mexico, a country steeped in rich history and cultural diversity. Let's delve into the heart of Mexico City, a pulsating cultural hub where modernity and tradition meld seamlessly. Imagine strolling through the city's vibrant streets, where the pulse of urban life beats in harmony with the echoes of its historical roots. Here, each corner, each turn reveals a fascinating tale, a unique blend of the old and the new. A visit to the Frida Kahlo Museum is a journey into the life of an iconic artist, a woman who painted her reality with bold strokes of courage and authenticity. Nestled in the heart of the city, this sanctuary of art and history offers a glimpse into Frida's world, her passions, her struggles, and her indomitable spirit. Not far from the museum, the historic Zócalo awaits. Once the ceremonial center of the Aztec city of Tenochtitlan, today it stands as a testament to Mexico's layered history. Here, amidst the grandeur of colonial buildings and the allure of Aztec ruins, you can feel the city's pulse, its vibrant energy, and the heartbeat of its people. Mexico City is not just a place, it's a living, breathing entity. Its streets are veins pulsating with life, its buildings a testament to its resilience and its people. The heartbeat that keeps the city alive and thriving. It is a city that embraces its past, celebrates its present, and looks forward to its future with an unwavering spirit. In the vibrant streets of Mexico City, every corner unfolds a new chapter of the country's intriguing story. A story that invites you to delve deeper, to explore further, and to discover the heartbeat of Mexico. And as you journey through this extraordinary land, you too will become a part of its ongoing narrative, a testament to its captivating allure. Beyond the bustling cities, Mexico's landscapes paint a picture of breathtaking contrasts. A country profoundly blessed by Mother Nature, Mexico presents a diverse canvas of natural wonders that leave visitors awestruck and yearning for more. Picture this. You're standing on the edge of the majestic Copper Canyon, a geological marvel that stretches across the northern part of the country. This magnificent canyon system, larger and deeper than the Grand Canyon, presents a stunning spectacle of rugged beauty. Its sheer cliffs and deep valleys, carved by 6 rivers over millions of years, stand as a testament to the relentless power of nature. As you gaze upon the Copper Canyon's grandeur, you realize that words can barely capture the awe-inspiring splendor that unfolds before your eyes. But Mexico's natural beauty doesn't stop at the Copper Canyon. The country's eastern coastline, home to the Yucatan Peninsula, offers a different yet equally captivating landscape. Here, the city of Cancun beckons with its pristine white sand beaches and turquoise waters. As you stroll along the shore, the rhythmic sound of the waves and the gentle sea breeze create a symphony of tranquility. The serene beauty of Cancun's beaches, coupled with the vibrant marine life that thrives beneath the waves, offers a slice of paradise for beach lovers and snorkeling enthusiasts alike. These contrasting landscapes, from the rugged grandeur of the Copper Canyon to the serene beauty of Cancun's beaches, are part of what makes Mexico a unique and enchanting destination. They reflect the country's multifaceted charm, offering different experiences that cater to various tastes and interests. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrilling escapades or a peace seeker yearning for tranquility, Mexico's landscapes offer something for everyone. Whether it's the grandeur of the Copper Canyon or the serene beauty of Cancun's beaches, Mexico's landscapes are a testament to the country's captivating natural beauty. This land of contrasts promises a journey of discovery and wonder, inviting you to experience its magic and fall in love with its extraordinary charm. Now, let's embark on a culinary adventure that is as diverse as Mexico itself. Our voyage through Mexico would be incomplete without a deep dive into its gastronomic wonders. Mexican cuisine is a vibrant symphony of flavors, a beautiful balance of tradition and innovation. It's a culinary journey that takes us from bustling street food stalls to high-end restaurants, each offering a unique taste of this magnificent land. First, let's turn our attention to the humble taco, a staple of Mexican street food. These delightful parcels, filled with a variety of ingredients from tender grilled meats to fresh seafood, are a testament to the versatility of Mexican food. The soft corn tortillas cradle the fillings, providing a perfect contrast in texture. Each bite is an explosion of flavors that is as varied as the landscapes of Mexico itself. But the richness of Mexican cuisine extends well beyond street food. The traditional dishes, passed down through generations, are a window into the country's history and culture. Take mole, for example. This rich complex sauce, often served over chicken, is a culinary masterpiece. Made with over 20 ingredients, including several types of chili, chocolate, and a mix of spices, mole is a dish that truly represents the depth and complexity of Mexican cuisine. And then there's the quintessential Mexican spirit, tequila. Distilled from the blue agave plant, tequila is more than just a drink, it's a cultural icon. Whether sipped slowly or mixed into a zesty margarita, it's a part of the Mexican culinary experience that is not to be missed. From the spicy heat of chilies to the sweet richness of chocolate, Mexican cuisine is a dance of contrasting flavors. It's a celebration of fresh, local ingredients combined in ways that surprise and delight the palate. It's a cuisine that is rooted in tradition, yet is constantly evolving, always ready to offer something new and exciting. In Mexico, every meal is a celebration of flavors, a dance of textures, and a testament to the country's culinary prowess. This culinary adventure we've embarked on is a testament to the richness and diversity of Mexican cuisine, a symphony of flavors that leaves a lasting impression and beckons us back for more. Yet, amidst all its historic sights and natural wonders, the true magic of Mexico lies in its people. They are the custodians of its rich history, the architects of its vibrant culture, and the guardians of its natural treasures. As you journey through Mexico, it's the locals who will become the heart of your story, adding color, warmth, and authenticity to your experiences. Let's take a moment to reflect on the interactions that have left indelible marks on our hearts. Remember the quaint little pottery shop in Guanajuato? It was the potter's passionate recounting of his craft, passed down through generations, that made those ceramic pieces more than just souvenirs. They became a connection, a shared moment in time that transcended borders and languages. Or the street food vendor in Oaxaca who, with a beaming smile, served us the most delicious tamales. It was her joy in sharing a piece of her culinary heritage that made that meal unforgettable. The food was not just nourishment, it was a story, a celebration of tradition and community that we were invited to partake in. And let's not forget the spirited mariachi band in Jalisco. Their music, so full of life and emotion, echoed the soul of Mexico. It was a symphony of cultural pride and artistic expression that resonated in our hearts long after the last note was played. These experiences remind us that it's not just the places we visit, but the people we meet that shape our journeys. It's the small acts of kindness, the shared laughter, and the mutual respect that weave the human tapestry of our world. In Mexico, it's this human element that stands out. The locals are not just residents, they are ambassadors of their rich culture, proud and welcoming. They invite you to see their country through their eyes, to feel its pulse, its rhythm, its soul. It's the people of Mexico, with their unwavering warmth and infectious joy, that truly bring this vibrant country to life. Their spirit, resilience, and love for their homeland are the beating heart of Mexico, the magic that transforms a journey into a memorable adventure. As our journey through Mexico comes to a close, we're left with a deeper understanding of this enchanting land. We've journeyed through the vibrant streets of Mexico City, where we've felt the pulsating heartbeat of the country. We've been charmed by the fusion of modernity and tradition, the splash of colors in the markets, the stories etched in the walls of the Frida Kahlo Museum, and the history that echoes in the Zócalo. We've traversed the breathtaking landscapes, from the awe-inspiring depths of the Copper Canyon to the serene beaches of Cancun. We've allowed the beauty of the country to wash over us, marveling at the wonders that nature has bestowed upon this land. We've also indulged in the symphony of flavors that is Mexican cuisine. We've savored the tantalizing tacos, the rich moles, and the myriad other dishes that dance on the palate and provide a taste of the country's culinary heritage. But perhaps most importantly, we've interacted with the warm and welcoming locals, the true soul of Mexico. Their smiles, their stories, and their hospitality have given us a glimpse into the heart of this country, allowing us to understand what makes Mexico truly extraordinary. And so, as we bid adieu to Mexico, we do so with a sense of longing, a longing to return, to explore more, to delve deeper. Because Mexico is not just a country, it's an experience, a feeling, a story that unfolds with each visit. We encourage you to embark on your own journey, to uncover the magic and mystery that lies in the heart of Mexico. Whether it's the history, the landscapes, the cuisine, or the people that draw you in, we're certain that you'll be captivated by the charm of this remarkable country. Mexico, with its rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty, is a journey that beckons to be taken. Until we meet again, keep exploring and cherishing the beauty of our world.